backcountry for life here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this nylon tear that I have in my Moscow Rackless 80 dry bag and see if it will work. What I'm using is this Bondex by Simplicity. It's 8 by 8 inches, so you can cut it to size, and it's at Walmart for like $3. So hopefully this turns out well. It's about the same color, which was surprising. And so let's give it a shot. First, clean it. All right, 2 8 by 8 patches, and I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 patches here. Instructions say to make sure it is clean and dry before applying the patch. Pretty simple. It says remove backing from patch, smooth and press firmly to form a strong bond over repair area of item. Item can be used immediately. So it's one of those frustrating things where you have to split apart the nylon from the backing. It's kind of got this glossy look on the back, very sticky. And let's do this. I didn't really lay this flat, did I? And I didn't really get out all the bubbles. Let's see if I can lift up this part. This is not satisfying. But there we go. It's waterproof. Patched. Awesome. That'll prevent some water from getting in my dry bag, which has been seeping through this little hole. So hope you enjoyed this. Follow me for more tips.